We're Taga, a family bike company. For the last 7 years, we've been creating bike strollers that are loved and enjoyed all around the globe. This is our latest project, and we do not hesitate when we say this is the next step in the evolution of family bikes. See, 3 years ago, we searched for our next project. We turned to a lot of people and asked them what they would want in a family bike. Some answers were strange.
Can you make it fly?
Some were eye-opening.
Young babies should be facing their parents.
And some were just adorable.
I want a water gun.
We listened and set out to create the ultimate family bike. For 2 years, we made sketches, prototypes, studied materials, carried out experiments, and explored every aspect a family bike should have. Basically, we reinvented the family bike. This is the Taga 2.0, the most comfortable, safe, easy to ride, practical, and just all-around coolest family bike you could possibly imagine. The Taga 2 has everything our customers wanted and much more. Safety first. Taga has 3 wheels, so it's inherently stable. The cargo box materials are super strong plastics with a metal frame inside that makes the seating area durable and resistant to impact. The child seats themselves have endless features and options. Taga can take 1 or 2 kids, facing forwards, backwards, or facing each other for a boatload of laughs. To keep it versatile, in seconds, Taga 2 turns from a family bike into a lockable cargo bike with extra load space on top. We use disc brakes and a Shimano gear, and you can always easily turn it into an electric bike for effortless long-distance rides. Now for the fun part. Apart from the wind in their hair, we wanted the kids to have a truly enjoyable adventure on our bikes. So we added the accessory bar, to which you can attach a variety of fun add-ons. Yes, there's also a water gun. And when it rains, or if the kids just want some privacy, there's the Royal Canopy. Let's see, what else? Nope, it can't fly. Yet. But it can all be taken apart to fit in your car trunk. Oh, and the seats come in a variety of colors. Because, you know, the personal touch transforms our own ultimate bike into your own ultimate bike. Last, but certainly not least, the price. While creating the Taga 2, we never forgot the one thing everyone asked.
Make it affordable.
Make it affordable.
Make it affordable.
So we did. Because to turn the family bike trend into a real revolution, we had to make it accessible for everyone. Whether you use it for a weekend trip, a drop-off, for shopping, or to carry your loyal friends, the Taga 2 is an ideal solution. Our company has a proven track record, so this is one of those projects you can back safely. We need your help to make this piece of family fun a reality. So back Taga and help us make the ultimate family bike. Taga.
Nowadays, there is something wrong with the market of climate equipment. On the one hand, there are plenty of absolutely inefficient small devices that don't prevent suffering from heat. On the other hand, there are overpriced bulky solutions that consume tons of energy. They require complicated maintenance and, to be honest, not always provide you with desired level of comfort. I don't know about you, but I would like to have a device that combines portability of desktop gadget with efficiency of modern technology. Meet next generation of EvoPolar, smart personal air conditioner. This multifunctional device cools, humidifies and purifies the air, creating a perfect microclimate around yourself.
EvoPolar is easy to use as 1, 2, 3. Fill the water tank, adjust the fan speed, enjoy it. EvoPolar works on power of water evaporation. It literally creates this natural refreshing breeze one can feel at the sea coast. Unlike fans that dry your hair and skin, EvoPolar produces moist air, taking care of your health and beauty.
Everybody has their own temperature of comfort and optimal humidity level. This is definitely not something that central air conditioning systems respect. Also, cooling effect spreads unevenly, and those who are close to an air conditioner always feel too hot, and others always feel too cold. During the summer season, poorly air-conditioned spaces become unbearable, and regular heat waves make it much worse. Even best climate systems often can't cope, and you need some extra cooling power. EvaPolar makes you feel comfortable in any conditions, improving your productivity and helping you to achieve more.
The core technology behind EvaPolar is EvaBreeze, a specially developed evaporative metamaterial based on mineral nanofibers. This allows EvaPolar to be both compact and powerful. Unlike traditional materials, EvaBreeze doesn't contain any organic elements. This prevents bacteria and mold spread. Moreover, there is no freon or any other toxic coolant. This makes EvaPolar technology absolutely safe to use and eco-friendly. Thank you.
EvaPolar is a truly smart device. It consumes less energy than a light-saving bulb, significantly reducing your bills. With a variety of tools for automation, smart home integrations, and application control, EvaPolar will easily become a natural part of your office or home ecosystem. We are founders of EvaPolar.
A year ago, we came to you with the idea of personal air conditioner. We are grateful for the support of thousands of bakers who helped the dream come true. We didn't let you down, delivered product in a record time, and now we are ready for the next chapter of our journey.
The most valuable thing for us was your feedback. It allowed us to spread the boundaries of climate technologies even wider in this new advanced device. We believe that climate technologies are becoming personal, and we invite everybody to join this revolution. And once again, thanks for your support.
Don't laugh.
Get the glasses.
Don't laugh. No, I want to do it like twice where it goes like that.
Hi, I'm Alex, founder of Bandit Eyewear. You might remember Bandit from our first campaign, where you helped us create a revolutionary product, the world's first modular and bendable eyewear. And thanks to you, Bandit is now sold worldwide with thousands of happy customers. We spent the past 6 months perfecting little details, re-engineering structures and testing new materials, and are now finally ready to introduce to you our 3 new metal frames: Al Capone, Red Baron and Sundance Kid. And we wanted to do it here so that you, our early supporters, will be the first one to get these beautiful sunglasses. As always, our new models are both bendable and modular. So you can first of all mix and match throughout all the existing product range and future product range to find your perfect shape and your perfect colors. Bandit comes apart in 5 pieces. 3 of them are made with our patented alloy that permits the sunglasses to flex and hold every position. And the 2 frames that hold our signature 100% UVA and UVB protection lens. We devised a super simple perk system where you simply select the model that you like the best, and we'll send you a form where you can choose your favorite color and your shipping address. On this form, you can even change the address to have them shipped to a loved one or a friend, and on Christmas Eve, we'll send them an email informing them of your amazing gift. So we are ready to go. The only thing missing is your support. Please help us do it again.